Hello guys, today we are seeing a cement tank made for China domestic market. But this video will make it for our Hong Kong client to show how to operate it and how to do the job. You can see from the front it does not have any diesel engine or any air compressor. It has a pipe here like this. The pipe here is to receiving the air pressure from here to the pipes. So it does not need the air compressor and the diesel engine, but it has the power input over there. On the top, we have a hanger. On top of it, you can hang the hose to this steel pipe. We haven't installed the air connector yet. Usually in China, we use the faster connector, which is adopting from the hoist hydraulic system. Of course, in some other countries, they use the grabbed hand type. This is the ABS socket. This is the electricity socket, and this is ABS light. From this side to go to the behind, we have the landing gears. This is the double-side operation landing gears. In our previous video, we have discussed they can lift and down separately. So when you have an even ground, you have better stable for the trailer. This is the side protection with a reflecting tape. The light for the indicator of the weight of the trailer. This is the spare tire carrier, but without any spare wheels. We call it spare tire carrier. Actually, it should be called spare wheels because whenever we see tire, it means this is the tire, inside is the rim. So sometimes we call this a wheel, but everybody call that spare tire carrier. So, you know. Okay, here's the suspension hanger with equalizer and braking system. This is the mud guard. This is a mud guard, and that's a discharge house. Discharge house to discharge those from cement from inside of the trailer. Here we can see the discharge house connecting to the huge discharge pipe. Over here, we have a disc brake. Disc valve. Disc valve means here is disc. When you close this and move this, it will open and close. Then when it's open, so you can discharge. When it's closed, you can just help it to leave it there. All right, this is, we call it help discharging valve. It would release the pressure inside of the tank very fast, but it can also help the cement discharge very fast. All right. The reason we are doing this video is to show how to operate this tank. Here is the gauge of the pressure. You can see it's the maximum is 0.4 MPa. All right. Here is the indicator. We can see those instructions one by one to the driver. So first, check the pressure of the tire, and second, check the tires bolt nut every day if it any loose. And third, exchange the tire in according to this drawing. 4, check every 5,000 kilometers and the U-bolt and the suspension. 5, check the frame nut if there's any breaking or loose. 6, if there's any professional guide, please do not cut the frame or do any operation. And the red one said the first month or the first 5,000 should check the wheel span and axle space like this drawing. And here is the tolerance of the checking data. All right, this is how to tell the driver. Now there is an indicator to say how to operate it to the driver, also to the operator. All right, here we can see first, when you are giving the pressure to the tank, must make sure all the manhole and the disk valve, and any valve must be closed so you can maintain the temperature inside. And second is when you are giving the pressure, and please adjust the engine's power to make sure the air compressor to go to the right speed to give enough pressure. And the third, when the pressure goes to 0.2, which you can see from here, and then you can open the discharge the disk valve. It's like this, and then you must open it to the maximum position, like from here to here. And four, when you discharge it, you must you can open the help discharge valve, which is this. When you open it, the pressure going to be reduced very fast. So once it reach to the 0.1 MPa, you need to close it. So this is a ball valve. So when you open it, it's like this. When you close it, it's like this. Okay. So when the pressure goes to 0.05 MPa, which means the cargo has been discharged, and you must close the air compressor or disconnect the after-source air source. So 5, if there is any pressure inside of the tank, please open the release valve on the top, then open the manhole. It doesn't see the risk of it. If you maintain the pressure inside of the tank and then you open it, it would be very dangerous to any operators. Okay. So 6, if you use the after-source pressure, and it should not be over than 0.2 MPa. That's very important because the working temperature of this tank is only 0.2 MPa, cannot be over it. Please check the safety valve and the gauge before you discharge if they are working normal. If there are any damage, you must replace them. 8, every time you go inside of the tank, there must be a safety guy company with the checking guy. Otherwise, you cannot go inside. And 9, every 50 hour, if every working hour over than 50, you must check the air compressor, the inside of the parts, and then maintain 5 times. Then you have to change one. This one is for the air compressor. All right. Okay, I hope my English is good enough to help you to understand how to operate it. Here's the rubber hose, and here is the toolbox side guard, and here is another ball valve. This is the closed position. If you open it, this is how to open and close. Here's another gauge, and those two are safety valves. It has open and close position. It's like this. Here's another rubber pipe connecting. Here is one direction valve. It makes sure the air goes one direction. Here's another big one direction valve. They call it checked valve, right? Okay. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy our video today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.